way, I got a dog. So stay tuned. And Happy New Year to everybody out there who's having a good New Year's. Okie dokie. Bye-bye. Alrighty. We're getting lined up here. Happy New Year. Got the coffee, got the pastries, got everything one might need. Shouts out to Roslyn Coffee Shop for hooking it up. They are a great coffee shop in La Pine. Very friendly, great coffee. Hey.
If you're able to go I want a turbo, so I was like, dude, I'll trade you the KO3 manifold. So I made a manifold adapter. So
too. It never works out though.
So I got my double cap.
Really? Yeah. Where did it come from? Really?
Yeah.
dialing the phone number. I thought that was just in the song.
No.
That's pretty weird.
That's pretty dope. It's gotta be fast, man. Yes, good stuff. Yeah, I'll talk to Jesse and Julia. They may want to hire you to do their motor. Well, it was a good Cars and Coffee. We had a good little turnout. More people showed up than I thought, so that was pretty fun. So maybe I'll do another one sometime. But yeah, there's some cool rigs. My favorite was definitely this notchback that was there. This guy Led, local guy, owns this super cool notchback. I don't know what year it is, but pretty cool. I've never really been like a non-bus guy until recently, and now I really like also cars, like sedans and things, and I don't know. They're less practical, but they're pretty cool looking. Just like non-camper cars. But anyways, I hope y'all are having a good New Year's, and hopefully that's really, I guess, all I'm here to say. Kind of rambling at this point, but yeah, it was a good year of Krusting, and yeah, the first year that Krust is actually a real company. So yeah, milestone for whatnot. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video. It's a short little guy. So Happy New Year, everybody out there, and be safe. Don't drive drunk. Oh, well, you know, since this is a New Year's video and tomorrow's 2024, I will, right after this, post a recap of my year. So let's do that. Anyways, Happy New Year, guys. Bye-bye. Here's a recap.
fucking lay down the track. It's gonna be sick. Not really. You have to fall to grow back, come. Oh, no.